HVAC repair guy here. I spent years as a nuclear power electrician before putting in 17 winters and summers in the HVAC trenches. If there is one thing I've learned, it is that technical specs tell the truth while marketing brochures tell fairy tales. Today, we are putting two heavy hitters in the ring: the Amana ALZT 7C and the Luxaire HL19. Both of these are ducted split heat pumps from their respective premium categories. We are going to see which one actually earns its keep on your concrete pad. Starting with the build, let's look at how these units protect the most vulnerable part of the system, the outdoor coil. The Amana ALZT 7C comes wrapped in a louvered steel panel. That is a solid wall of metal designed to deflect hail and keep the neighbor's kid from poking a stick through the fins. The Luxaire HL19 uses slotted panels and is better protection than a flimsy wire cage. In a head-to-head on durability, that heavy-duty louvered steel on the Amana is what I want standing between the elements and my refrigerant. When we talk efficiency and comfort, we are looking at the HSPF 2 ratings. The Luxaire HL19 is pulling an 8.1 HSPF 2. The Amana ALZT 7C edges it out slightly with an 8.2. Both of these units use 2-speed compressors and 2-speed or variable speed fans. This means they don't just slam on at full blast and shut off. They can drop down to a lower speed to maintain a steady temperature, which keeps your house from feeling like a drafty gym. Amana is a flagship brand under the Dakin Industries umbrella. Luxaire is a subsidiary brand for Bosch Home Comfort, often sharing the exact same internal DNA as their flagship York. Buying a subsidiary brand like Luxaire usually means you're getting the same compressor and coils as the flagship for a slightly better price point. For the condenser alone in 2026, you're looking at roughly $4,200 for the Amana and about $3,850 for the Luxaire. For a full professional install, expect to see quotes around $13,500 for the Amana and $12,200 for the Luxaire. Here's a field tip. I don't care how much you spend on the unit if you don't clean your coils and change your filters. A dirty coil is a slow death sentence for a compressor. The Luxaire HL19 offers a solid 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty, and it is built right here in the USA. The ALZT 7C comes with a 10-year parts warranty, a 10-year unit replacement warranty, and a lifetime compressor warranty. Also built in the USA, Amana basically dares the compressor to fail. The winner is the Amana ALZT 7C. Even though you are paying a flagship premium, that lifetime compressor warranty and the 10-year unit replacement coverage are unbeatable. If that compressor slugs out in year 12, Amana isn't just sending you a part, they are backing the whole machine. Luxaire is a great value, but the Amana is the smarter long-term play for your home. Shop like a pro using the head-to-head tool on HVAC Dash for dashbeginners.com.